Hello everyone, in this video we will create our first Java program. Before we begin, ensure that you have IDE like Eclipse installed in your system. If you don't have IDE, I'll provide link in the description for you to download the Eclipse. Before we jump into IDE, let's first understand the structure of Java program. Java is an object-oriented programming language, which means that all the code in Java program is written inside the class. We will cover concept of classes in future video, but for now think of a class as a container or wrapper for your Java code. Let's name our class as a hello world, and within the class we will write our code. The execution of Java program begins from the main method. In Java we define main method as public static void main and then string argument. Inside the main method we write our code. To display something on a screen we will use System.out.println followed by what we want to print. In this case, we will print hello world. That's it. Our hello world program is ready. If you find this syntax bit complex, don't worry. Eclipse can auto-generate this code for you. Now let's switch to Eclipse and run our first Java program. Before creating our class, let's set up Java project to organize our program. Click on a file in the top left corner of Eclipse. Then go to New and select Java project. Give your project a name. Ensure that module option is unchecked and click Finish. Our project is now ready. To create a class, right click on a project and select New and choose Class. Name your class as Hello World. If you want Eclipse to generate main method for you, then select public static void main option and click Finish. Now our class and main method are set up. We can write our print statement, which is System.out.println hello world inside the main method. In Eclipse, if you type sysout and then press Ctrl plus space, then it will auto generate the System.out.println statement for you. Now save your program by pressing Ctrl S and run it by clicking on the run button on top left corner. You will see the program output in terminal. I used Eclipse as IDE for this program. However, if you prefer to use different IDE or no IDE at all, you can create a new file and start writing the code for your program. After writing a code, save file with the same name as your class name and then run javac filename.java and then java class name in the terminal to execute the program. Java may seem complex at first, but it's powerful language that can make complex project easier to develop. As we move through this course, you will understand meaning of each and every word in your program and you will see that Java is simple and powerful language. That's it for today's video. In next video, we will learn about data types in Java.